Welcome back to the Innovation Station. We're excited to meet you in this exciting world of technology news and innovation. Today we're going to take you on a fascinating journey through the exciting fields of agriculture, construction, and industry. Get ready to explore incredible technical solutions and unique engineering developments with us. Let's delve into the world of efficient cargo handling, where cutting-edge tools like the Winkle Scrap Magnet, Senebogen 830, and Jingon JG95Z take center stage. This process involves harnessing the power of strong magnets to lift, move, and transport heavy loads with precision and safety. From scrap metal yards to construction sites, we are discovering the amazing capabilities of these machines, their diverse applications across industries, and the seamless integration of technology that optimizes cargo operations for smoother logistics and improved productivity. As you marvel at these magnetic marvels, consider sharing your thoughts in the comments section below. We'd love to hear your take on this game-changing technology. Our spotlight shifts to the art of tree spading, a process made efficient and effective through advanced equipment like the Dutchman 100-inch and Skid Street 600i. This technique involves the transplantation of trees, preserving greenery in urban landscapes, commercial developments, and beyond. Shovel-assisted tree transplanting techniques include some subtleties that allow trees to be carefully extracted and moved with minimal disruption to their root systems. And modern equipment improves arborist practice, contributing to sustainable urban planning and ecological balance. Let's zoom in on the meticulous process of road sign cleaning, led by the reliable Ducker U400. Clear and visible road signs are essential for road safety and traffic management. The Ducker U400 uses innovative cleaning techniques to remove dirt, grime, and debris from road signs, ensuring optimal visibility for drivers. This machine combines functionality and precision to rejuvenate road signs, enhancing visibility and legibility. From highways to local streets, witness the transformation of these vital markers and how the Ducker U400 contributes to improved road safety. If you've used the Ducker U400 or a similar technology, don't hesitate to share your feedback in the comments. Prepare to dive into the realm of hydro-demolition, a precision-driven method for efficient concrete removal. This process involves high-pressure water jets that expertly break down concrete surfaces, leaving behind a clean and structurally sound substrate. This method offers precision and efficiency, minimizing damage to surrounding areas while effectively removing old concrete structures. It is widely used in the construction, repair, and demolition of various concrete structures, providing an effective and durable solution for a multitude of applications. Our journey takes us into the critical realm of forest mulching, where the Forest Tech's DM15 plays a significant role in land management. It plays an important role in maintaining the delicate balance between land use and environmental conservation. By expertly mulching vegetation, it contributes to the prevention of wildfires, supports the health of ecosystems, and fosters the growth of forests. In a world where the balance between human activities and nature is crucial, the Forest Tech's DM15 stands as a valuable tool in safeguarding our natural environments for current and future generations. Get ready for a deep dive into the intricate world of concrete laying, guided by machines such as the G&Z MP550 and G&Z S850SL. These machines are pivotal in accurately placing concrete, a cornerstone of construction. Through advanced technology and skilled operation, they ensure the precise and consistent distribution of concrete. This process is central to crafting robust structures, underscoring the significance of meticulous concrete placement in enhancing the overall stability and durability of buildings. If you've marveled at the precision of concrete paving or have your own thoughts, join the conversation in the comments. Step into the world of automatic expanded metal production, driven by machines like the Bender SB1000-45T0, where innovation takes center stage. Expanded metals serve a wide range of industries, and this cutting-edge technology is reshaping how they're made. As we explore the automated intricacies, you'll uncover its meticulous design to boost production efficiency. Amid this wave of innovation, it's crucial to remember the essential role expanded metal plays across diverse industrial sectors. Embark on a journey into the crucial task of stone picking, facilitated by advanced machinery like the Case 550 and Diegelmann Rock King 9600. Within agriculture, clearing fields of stones is pivotal for efficiency, and these machines are leading a transformative change. Imagine the Case 550 and Diegelmann Rock King 9600 navigating fields with precision, lifting and removing stones efficiently. This advancement expedites the process and promotes soil health, boosting agricultural productivity and sustainable land management. Connected to agriculture or witness stone picking technology? Subscribe for more exciting tech updates. Our exploration brings us to the pivotal realm of sand loading, a fundamental process that forms the cornerstone of construction and diverse industries, and is masterfully overseen by the venerable Caterpillar 988. The efficiency and precision of sand loading operations hold the key to maintaining a constant supply for projects reliant on this versatile material. The Caterpillar 988 stands as a reliable force in this endeavor, ensuring that the demand for sand is met seamlessly, thereby facilitating the progress of construction and various industrial activities. Immerse yourself in the fascinating world of bridge building, guided by the remarkable machine SLJ 900. Bridges play a crucial role in binding communities and facilitating smooth transportation networks. The machine SLJ 900 takes center stage as a technological marvel, skillfully orchestrating the assembly of expansive bridge sections with unmatched precision and efficiency. This convergence of engineering excellence and connectivity reshapes landscapes and exemplifies the essence of contemporary infrastructure advancement. Intrigued by bridge construction? Share your thoughts below about impressive bridges you've encountered. In the realm of warehouse loading, machines like the Grime RH24-60 and Grime SL165 stand out as key players. Their capabilities contribute significantly to the overall efficiency of supply chain operations. By streamlining the loading and unloading processes, they help reduce handling times, minimize disruptions, and enhance the productivity of warehouses. These machines exemplify the marriage of technology and logistics, showcasing how innovation can lead to smoother operations and improved customer satisfaction. Thank you for joining our exciting journey into the world of agricultural machinery, ingenious tools, and advanced technology. To keep up with the latest updates, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comments. See you soon!